How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My springy loon.
Yes, I'm a little springy today.
You're always a little
I
springy.
got a little spring in my step.
You always do, but today you're really springing because it's spring.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it felt like it's been forever.
It has.
Oh.
It's been a long, grueling winter.
Yep.
We've eaten a lot of good food, but now we're springing forward,
Yes.
and we are going to make an amazing dish. When we're filming this, Easter is just around the corner.
Right around the corner.
So
just a bunny hop away.
It's asparagus. It's just a bunny hop away. This little guy right here. This is a big guy, actually. This asparagus.
Yeah, the star of the show.
It is so in season right now. So let's tell them what we're doing.
Yeah.
We're doing our roasted asparagus with chopped egg. I mean, we're doing two of our favorite things in the world: asparagus
and some hard-boiled eggs. You know what?
egg.
Give me a hard-boiled egg and a salt shaker, and I'm happy.
I know. Believe me, I know that from experience. So, okay, and this is beautiful on your holiday table. It's a wonderful side when you're doing that Easter ham or whatever. So let's just jump right into this.
Let's do it.
We're going to do this from start to finish. It's so quick and easy. Okay, before we get going, I'm going to tell you that I've just melted 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat, and I'm going to put this. These are big, stalky.
Those are giant.
They are
giant
big ones.
Texas stalks.
I know it. Everything's bigger here, but you can also use the little skinny ones. They just cook quicker. So I'm going to get this going. Let me tell you, I'm going to season it.
Throw in some
salt. I'm going to add a little salt, just a nice healthy pinch of salt. That's probably a half a teaspoon. We got some nice black pepper, and then I love cooking with smoked paprika. So that's just going to add a little flavor. But
that is wonderful.
You can use whatever your favorite spice is. Smoked paprika, I think, works wonderfully.
I love it.
But you could
get it all up in there.
You could also use cayenne for a little heat. You can use curry powder. Is amazing.
Yes, curry.
That's great. Okay.
I love it.
All right. So now
tastes so good.
It's going to be amazing, and it just comes together so quickly. It's already smelling phenomenal.
Yay.
Okay. So now let's talk about our favorite part.
Little eggs here.
So can I tell them real quickly how I boiled my eggs?
Yes, you can.
I know it's boring, but you may be intimidated by
a hard-boiled egg?
Making a hard-boiled egg. Well, sometimes people are. Like, I'm afraid I'm going to screw it up. It's super easy.
You're right.
So I'm going to just turn this down for a second. Okay.
Calm that down.
Calm down. So all you do is you just get, we've got 4 eggs, so just get a medium-sized saucepan and just place those eggs in the pan before you do anything else. Then I want to cover them with some cool water. You can do tap water, cold tap water, that's okay. But cool, I find, works better. So what I do is I get a nice large measuring cup. If you've got the kind with a lid, even better, because you can put some ice in that water to get it chilled, and the ice doesn't fall out into the pan. You want to fill till you've just covered the eggs by about an inch or so, and then you're going to crank up the heat and let it come to a boil. Then, once it's boiling, you're just going to turn that temperature down to a nice steady simmer. Set your timer for 11 minutes, and they're going to cook for 11 minutes, and they're going to be perfect.
Yes.
But you don't want to. You can leave them in the water. This is when it starts getting a little risky, because then if you overcooked your hard-boiled eggs, then they become rubbery. They discolor. You don't want that.
No.
So what I like to do is I just get some sort of like a slotted spoon or some way to fish them out of the hot water and put them into an ice bath.
There you go.
To let them just kind of like get all nice and cooled off.
Right.
And then you
peel them, and then
I
I gave these bad boys a rough chop. I just
and it was rough. I tell you one thing.
I'm really good at rough chopping.
He really is. If there's one thing you do well, it's rough chopping.
I know. And so another great thing about this, let's call it a salad, I guess. Is this vinaigrette. It's really bright, and it adds so much flavor to the asparagus and the eggs. So let's make it.
Let's do it.
This is 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
EVOO.
And then I'm going to put in the juice of 1 lemon. Oh, this always takes me forever.
I know, he's really got to work out before he does this. It's so easy, too.
It's easy.
Amazing how easy this is.
It's
what?
It's always on camera when I have to do something really exhausting.
So I know. It's like, wow. You've had your workout for the month.
Yes. Here, take this away from me.
I will.
Go put that over there.
Oh, okay. You want to keep an eye on your asparagus, kind of keep it moving around a little bit in the skillet, but not too much. It's just going to cook beautifully. Look at that.
That looks great already.
Thanks.
And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of some sesame seeds, some white sesame seeds.
Love sesame seeds.
That's it. That's all we do. Oh, give me a little salt from behind.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
I don't
throw
mind
a little bit
at all.
in there.
We'll do a little pinch of salt.
There we go. Can always use some salt.
Season your layers. That you always do that. Season as you go.
And so I'm going to take about probably half of this and dress my eggs with it.
I love a well-dressed egg.
Yes.
So he's doing half, and then we're going to use the rest on these beautifully cooked asparagus.
I'm just going to move these all around.
That is
there ain't no there's you can't do anything wrong with this.
Did you just say there ain't no? Anyway.
There is no rhyme or
There ain't. No matter how hard I try, there just ain't no rhyme or reason.
You can take the trailer. You can take the kid out of the trailer, but not the trailer out of the kid. There you go.
Not to be offensive to trailers.
Yes.
But not trailers.
No. Yes.
Okay.
I love them.
Okay.
All right. Here we go.
Okay.
That's
so that's
good.
it. So now you get a nice little platter. You want to put the platter over here?
Here you.
I think
get
these
are
on
there first.
These are such big honking asparagus. They take a little longer. Now again, asparagus is like pasta. You can do it kind of al dente, but just be careful. If you overdo it, then they become super soggy, and they will continue to cook even after they sit here. And
Those look great.
Get a really. I love a really like white platter like this because it just against the green is just so gorgeous.
Oh, I love that.
Okay.
Set it right there.
Wouldn't that be beautiful on a Easter table?
And now we're going to use the rest of the vinaigrette and just pour it over this.
Pour that over the
there we
asparagus.
Go. It looks so
glorious,
good.
glorious, glorious.
And now we're going to take the eggs and we're just going to scoop them right on there. We like to put them right down the middle to make a nice picture.
Yeah.
Here,
we're all about pictures, just in case you haven't noticed.
Do this. There you go.
That looks beautiful. And you know what I like to do? I'm going to give it another sprinkle of just a little pepper on top.
Look at how great that is.
That's beautiful.
Hold on, I got get a little more.
Oh yeah, don't lose.
Yes. Y'all, look at that
so
wonderfulness.
Beautiful. People will be oohing and awing at your table.
I love it. Okay. Let's eat it. Let's eat.
I mean, see how easy that was? Let's do it. Okay. Normally we'd have like sliced ham and some au gratin potatoes.
Just give me some eggs.
But right now we're just eating some asparagus.
Yeah, eggs and asparagus.
Oh, that is so beautiful. Let me give you a little more.
There we go. That's perfect.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, that vinaigrette Loon is just.
I can't wait.
So good.
I can't wait. I'm gonna. You know what?
We didn't get a knife.
I'm just gonna. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so good.
It's spectacular, right? And I love dishes that are just let the ingredient shine. You don't have to overdo it with anything. And it's perfectly cooked, right? You saw how quickly those cooked.
That is simple and delicious. That vinaigrette has that bright citrus flavor.
Yeah, it's so springy. It springs into action. I'll tell you that.
And just the right amount of salt. Oh, this is so good. You know what? This is 1,000% Loon approved.
What? Oh my God!
That's how wonderful. You know what? I'm just using my fingers.
I know. We should have brought a knife. You were responsible for the cutlery. Oh,
isn't that wonderful?
It just makes you feel happy about the sunshine and the flowers.
Love it. No. Sorry, I'm a mouthful of food.
No, that's a first.
You can get this recipe on howtofeedaloon.com.
Oh, that's so good. You guys, happy everything. We love you so much. So go to our social media, share, leave comments, tell us what you like.
Yes.
Don't tell us what you don't like. No, you can do that.
Paprika.
The paprika. I know.
So good. Sorry.
I'm a El Frica for the paprika. Anyway, do all that. Happy holidays.
Yay.
Happy everything. Happy.
Get out and get some sunshine. Get some lovely sun on your face.
Do something good for your neighbor.
Yes.
Just let's enjoy life and be fabulous.
Yay.
All right, bye everybody. Love you. Hey everybody.
Hi guys. Now if you want to be a part of the Loon fun, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you won't miss a single recipe.
That's right. Oh, and speaking of recipes, if you want another amazing recipe like this, then just click right here.
Yeah, click.
Click.
Subscribe.
It's so much fun.